What in the needle, there's so much left to enjoy. The people the people when you are there. Friends are there to support you. You're a man to help. Friendship is a family life. Friendship is a family time. Friendship is a family life. Friendship is a family life. Friendship is a family life. Friends create so many memories together. Friends have the moments to live the dreams come true. Friends have the memories together. Love time before. Friendship is a parallel. Friendship is a parallel. Friendship is a parallel. Friendship is a parallel. Positivity. Friendship is a parallel. They stay by each other's side till the end of time. Creating memories of what we have had. Definitely, your friendship was all we're part of. The friendship stories of friends for all time. This time